Everyone, we are live on Vaughn TV for Tuesday, August 13th, eBay auction box break of 12-13 in the game Ultimate Hockey. The last team to go off auction last night was the Winnipeg Jets. Ended August 13th at 22:58:09 Eastern Time. List right here. Your names are beside the teams you own for this break. So best of luck to you all. And we are good to open. Alrighty, so we have Ultimate Base Card Silver for the Boston Bruins of Ray Bourque out of 30. Ray Bourque Base Silver out of 30 for the Boston Bruins. We have Ultimate Auto and Patch Silver 1 of 9 for the Vancouver Canucks of Ryan Kesler. Ryan Kesler out of 9. And last card, good luck. We have a franchise captains for the Boston Bruins of Schmidt, Bourque, Busick, and O'Reilly out of 24. And that's that. So thank you very much for joining. I appreciate it. Be sure to check my eBay page next week as I'm on vacation for the next 5 days, and I will have some more Ultimate up. And until then, take care, everyone. Have a great one.